Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to get an invoice from Amazon. So firstly, go to Amazon and log into your Amazon account. So once I've logged into your Amazon account here, you're going to hit on this orders option here. So simply click on it. So when you click on this orders option here, so what you're going to see all the orders that you have placed. So now what you're going to do is simply open up, select the order that you wish to see the invoice for. So for example, choose the order. So for example here, I will just use this order here. So I have one here, and then if I select this order, I'll see that there is an invoice option here. So what you have to do is simply click on invoice. Okay, once you click on invoice, then it's going to ask you whether you want a printable version, and just click on it, and this will open up a printable version of your invoice. So this is your invoice. So what you can do now, so you can either save this or you can print this if you want a copy of it, and that's how you can access the invoice or get an invoice on Amazon. So hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.